Hello, this is Michael from König and Meyer here on the InfoComm show 2026. I would like to introduce our new Orchestra music light. Comes with 12 LEDs, 2 settings, 100%, 50%, and the special unique topic here is we have 3 different color temperatures, so you can choose between cold white with 6000 Kelvin or neutral white with 4500 Kelvin and 3000 Kelvin and warm white. So you can decide what fits best. It comes with a battery pack and cable included, and it will last at least 10 hours. So it's definitely a good option to choose. If you want to find more information, please check out our website on k-m.de.